this. I got this from Shopee. Metal hanger rack. So, I'll try if I will be able to assemble this. Okay. So, there's not much instruction. Chinese. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Kaya, I'll just look at the figures para matutunan ko to. Medyo maliit yung tubo niya. Parang hindi siya ano. Yeah, ganyan lang siya kaliit. So these are the parts. I just hope na kumpleto siya para walang kulang, di ba? Kumpleto siya para walang kulang. Di ba? Ang galing. Wala, dito pala siya ilalagay. Yan. Para hindi magasgas yung tiles ko kasi puro gasgas na siya. Actually, lalagyan ko din to ng ano. May nilalagay kami dito na yung parang malambot na rubber para hindi siya para hindi magasgas yung tiles. Alright. Oh. Okay. Which one go first? Yung iba tanggal na yung pintura. Naka-color cake. Ano yun? Alright. May screw pala. May screw pala yung butas na to. Ayan. Damage na. May natanggal. Parang nakita ko yung part na yan dito sa box. Kaya mo na. Anyway. This is the tornilyo. So you need to shoot it on the and then just twist it like this and then hihigpit na siya and we can use ayan nabiak. So yung pintura niya is natanggal na agad. Tingnan mo na. So damage. May kasama siyang wrench na maliit. Pwede siyang gamitin na panghigpit. Parang hindi kasya yung wrench niya. Ba yun? Ay, naku. Shopee talaga. Anyway. Okay. Yes. Wow. You don't need the wrench anyway. Here, dito sa kabila, you will be needing the wrench kasi hindi mo na siya matitwist because nakaano na dun. Hindi mo na siya matitwist dito sa kabilang side kasi meron na naka-fix na siya dun. So you need to use the wrench na. This wrench is not fit. Oh, there's a bigger one pala. There's a small one and there's a bigger one. Ako naman pala, hindi ko tinitingnan. Ayan. Pala hindi kasya. Ayun! And now it works. So I'll just put it on the other side so you will be able to see how the wrench works. So that's it. And one more. Use the wrench. So this this will be the base of the hanger rack. And then you're gonna have to twist till the end so hindi siya mag-loose agad. Alright. Okay. Then I have to tighten all of the screws. Kailangan higpitan para hindi siya mag-loose agad. Alright. Buti may kasamang wrench. So, meron siyang mga butas dito. Here. And because it has parang hooks. Ito, hooks niya. But these are plastic. Hindi siya metal. So, probably, ang nakalabas is these two. Kasi pag kinabit mo siya dyan, just like that, I'll put it a little in a while. O siguro pwede ko na rin siyang ilagay ngayon. Lagay ko na siya para makita nyo. Ayan. Tsaka malaman ko kung saang side siya dapat. Alright? Okay, so I'll put it this way. How to put it? I'm gonna use this one. This, I don't know what this is called. Isang tornilyo na lalagay siya dito sa ilalim. So, dito siya ikakabit sa ilalim para hindi siya maglo-loose. Parang pinaka-lock ito nung screw dito sa bottom. Yan. So, okay. Let's put the screw. Ayan. Kasi may nakalabas siya. Ayan, na bahagya. So, if you put the screw, and then we will just put this. Ay! Matutumba. And we will just put this. Wait. Ayan. So, siya yung magiging, panghigpit at saka pangluwag. Ayan. Okay. And the other one, you're gonna have to put another one. Screw. Wala, naghiwalay. So, yung isa medyo maluwag. Okay. And the other side. Stuck. These two are stuck to each other. Yun. See? Final part where I put this. And voila! It's done. Oh, there's a hole on the other side here. There are two holes on the other side, so I can still put this one. And this one also, there are two more holes here. Now, so I can put this one also here. Okay, so that's the final. It's a little bit wiggling. It's not too sturdy, so I'm gonna have to go. But yeah, I can move it. So. That's my metal hanger. Hanger rack pala. metal hanger lang. Alright? So, I'll try to put my dress.